Hello. Oh, let's make sure we're on. Hello, and welcome to the vlog. Guess what? Another new toy. Oh, another new toy. GoPro Volta. Sounds like a superhero, doesn't it? So, you know me. I love a gadget, and this is a new gadget. I didn't even know this had been launched. I saw other YouTubers using it, and I thought I've got to get me one of those because, as you know, I've been whinging recently about how the battery doesn't last, and I just get some really good stuff, and then that's it. The battery's gone, and it's a faff to try and change it. So let's have a look, see what's in the box. Right. There's no tidy way to undo this, is there? Because you don't want to wreck the packaging, but no. So what do we got? We have user's guide, which I will read, safety instructions, there's a bad boy. Oh, hang on a minute. It's so fiddly. This is pretty well packed. Well, that is actually a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. A lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. Wow. So I've just accidentally switched it on, and we've got 3 bars of battery by accidentally switching it on. Now I'm told that the top of this does swivel, but I'm assuming you have to have the camera on it to move it about. So the actual unit, USB-C charger, and oh, the door. So obviously I've got a media mod, so I won't need this, but looking at that, you could use this without a media mod, and I wouldn't say it's going to be, it'd be damp proof as opposed to waterproof. So I keep forgetting what side the lens is. It'd be damp proof as opposed to waterproof. And there is and there's your screw connection for up there. So let's get the GoPro connected to this and see what it does. Back in a minute. Right, I've connected this on and I haven't done anything else. I'm going to try and turn it. Ah, yes, it does. There you go. So, not connected on. I'm just going to plug this in now. So I've got the media mod, as you can see, which has got, I've also got the screen as well. So I'm going to plug this in and see what happens. Oh, it's a bit fiddly. So that has, if you can see, it has, oh, it did, the lights have just come on, showed 3, and the GoPro is charging. Looks like it's powered on. So as I said, the GoPro has actually powered on completely, and it's now charging. So let's just see what happens when I power the. Nothing's happening. Tell you what, I'm going to read the instructions and then come back. It's so simple when you read the instructions. Now, it must just be a bloke thing that we think, do you know what? We know exactly what we're doing. Let's not bother. So you have to pair it, and it's really simple to pair. Don't plug it in. Turn on your GoPro, go to connections, go to pair a connected device, click Volta, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 4 seconds, all connected. So there you go. It's now working. So from this, we can now, by pushing the mode button on the back, we can scroll through to max photo, time lapse, and max video. And then obviously pushing the button, this big button here, is going to start it recording. What I do like is the tripod function. So obviously you can change the angle of the head, but it acts as a tripod, which I think is absolutely brilliant. It is a little bit heavier than I thought it was going to be, but I guess it has got a battery in it. I wonder how long the battery is actually going to last. I mean, obviously, it's got to be a lot better than what I'm getting anyway from the actual GoPro at the moment. So obviously I'll charge it up and I will let you know. It's charging pretty quickly. So the actual GoPro, for some reason, had switched itself back on. Another little gadget. So you can click something else on the side of this, which again is handy. Because I guess I could have the light or something down there, but yeah, brilliant, lovely little bit of kit. We'll try this out. So we've got something really exciting coming up. We're going to do a Brit Stops on this coming Friday while we head towards Norfolk, and then when we get to Norfolk, a change of a mode of transport, which I'm really looking forward to. Anyway, yeah, I like this. I really do like this. I like the grip. I like the fact that, you know, I'm renowned for dropping things. That's going to save me, I should imagine. But it's very comfortable to use. It's very comfortable to hold. As I say, I do think the stand. Let's sort of turn that round and then see how we go. And then obviously you've got to adjust the angle of the head, but what a brilliant bit of kit. Can you see that? There we go. What a brilliant bit of kit. Right. If you've got a GoPro subscription, there is a massive discount. I didn't realize this. There's a massive discount. Should have been £119, I think, and I got it for sort of like 80-ish. Might have been a bit less than that. Free shipping, which is, again, it all adds up. It's all absolutely brilliant if you're getting something for free. I'll give you an update on this in a further video when we've had it a few weeks, and I'll let you know how it's doing. But anyway, this is the GoPro Volta, which is basically it's a battery on a handle. A couple of things I wished it did have. I wish this extended because obviously you're going to have this a fair distance away. The max lens does help, but you're still going to have this a fair distance away. But I do like it. I really do like it. I do love toys. Anyway, as per normal, one of my waffly videos. What can I say? If you've liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already, please subscribe, and if you wouldn't mind ringing the bell for notifications. We'll be back in our next video when we got a British stop video, and then another video after that, which will be our mode of transport change. At which point I can give you a bit of an update on this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.